Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this next video. Today is a best day because today I will show you something bigger than I ever seen it here. I ever seen this thing here. Today I build this workflow that can help you to interact your metadata from your website. You understand? If a customer come to your website and he need something, he needs some information about your website, and he send you his information, that will record everything and send this immediately to her Gmail account. You understand? Let me show you this quick example. You see, this is my website here, and when I come to my website, just calm down. My website is downloading. You know, my internet is too slow. So okay, I come to my website and I go to customer support. Let's I go here and I send some information about my project. Let me show some information about my project. The name I will put my company name. I will put what can I put for my company name? Let me put YouTuber Tito. Let me put YouTube Tito. And for my email address, I will put somebody email because I don't know someone to copy my email. You see, agmail.com. And my phone number. This phone number is for free. Everyone who need to contact me, you can use this phone number. And here I will select my sector. If it's e-commerce or service, you see everything I select here. And then my bot, I will send a bot because I need a bot for my website. You see, I need a bot that can help my visitor of my website. And let's come here and put some description of our product. You see, I will put some description for our product. Let me just type this. We want to automate our customer service Okay, let's go, and here I will crush this button. But if I click here, you will see I click some information for my website that will interact everything on my website. Let me go to my workflow. If I go to my workflow, you will see this here. Some execution come here. You see, he is successful. He's the last execution I made here. That you see on July 21, on July 31, on to you see the hour. And let me come to my database. You see on my database what he put here. He put some information about everything. Here is a hold. After this is my community name, my email, my phone number, and my sector. After this, everything. Well, the thing is amazing here. Let me show you this. When I go to take to my Gmail, that will send automatically a message for anyone who went to my website and try to visit anything, and that will send them, we receive your information and your data you sent for our website. That will send him automatically. You see the powerful of this workflow. You can just begin, and I will show you how to build this workflow. Let me go to NAN and go to editor. If I come to editor, you see this small workflow is too small. You see is too small workflow. And the first trigger is webhook. We will put a link of our webhook to my website. I just put it. If you need to put this, go to YouTube and rehearse everything about how to put a webhook on my website. You understand? And then if I record any information from my webhook, I will put automatically this information on my metadata on my Google Sheet. You see, some information is here. You see, you can go here. If you test your workflow, your webhook, and that work, so you come here, you record every information and you put here. The next is a name, the second is a enterprise, is a company name, and the third is a email address, and here the phone number, and here our project sector, and here the service you need. And then you come to budget. That is how much you can pay me to resolve you this problem. You understand how much you can pay me to, and I can resolve you this problem. This is a example, is not a true, not a real price, you see. And here again is how time this service can take before I deliver you this service, you see. And here about a newsletter, you see. This everything is not so much in that we can use on our thing. But the good part is here. When everything enter on my Google sheet, what he does right now, he can attract anything on my website, you see, that can receive my name, my enterprise, my phone number, anything of my company. And then I will send automatically email for this man who come to visit my website, you see. And that's a JSON address email. You will be able to pull this like this and come to put this here, you understand. And here a subject, may I put this for my website, this is the name of my website, African no code, you understand. And here for email type, if you know, you will choose HTML type, or if you need, you will choose a text type, you understand. And here, if you know, if you send any information from any end and you don't deactivate this button, that will say to a customer, we use NAN to send automatically message to our customer, and that is not pretty good, understand. That is not pretty good. Okay, this is what I can show you today. This is this to a small website. You can sell this for $100,000, you understand, this for free. And if you need some information about this, just go below on the comment place and tell me what do you need. I will tell you on this free, because I will tell everything free here. And I forget two things here. To connect your Google sheet, you need some credential. Your, let me, you see, a authentication for customer ID and customer secret, you see. Let me close it because I was doing this on my back. If you need some information about credential, just go on Google Cloud, Google Console Cloud, you understand, and you will have this, all of this bunch of thing on your workflow, you see. That is amazing. You see this small workflow, if you know how to use this, you will be able to sell this, you will be able to grow your agent, you understand. And just tell me what type of video you need, I will make on this channel, you understand. Just tell me this, and inshallah I will do this video, you understand. Thank you for following me, and thank you for watching this video. Let's see you on the next video, and inshallah we will build a lot of things on this channel. Thank you. And some men who are Muslim here, just tell me if you are Muslim on the comment please, because I know some friend who is Muslim, but I don't reject a friend who is not Muslim, understand. And I will say again, thank you so much, see you on the next video. Thank you.